Hey guys, it's me, Xavier, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make a tornado in a bottle. Materials are 2 1-liter bottles, dish soap, glitter, and duct tape. Punch a hole in one of the caps. Put 3/4 of water into the water bottle. Add your dish soap. Add glitter. Put the cap on tight. Then put duct tape all around the tops. Then spin it. Then flip it over. Spinning the bottle in a circular motion creates a vortex that looks like a mini tornado. The water is rapidly spinning around the center of the vortex due to centripetal force, an inward force directing an object of fluid such as water towards the center of its circular path. Vortexes found in native includes tornadoes, hurricanes, and waterspouts. A tornado that forms over water. This is going to take 2 to 3 times to get a full result. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel and turn that post notification button on so you'll know the next time I upload a new video. Please put any comments that you have down below in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time.